Okay, so now it is time to, we already did the review of simple coding that we know already, and we are doing next getting images and type on the screen. So this video is going to be about getting images on the screen. So if you click on this, you should get to this Google Doc here called Images, Fonts, Music, Oh My. And I'm going to show you first how to get an image in your program. So first you need to get an image. So you can grab this one. I think if you right click on it, you might be able to grab it. I, for some reason, can't because this is editable for me. So I'm going to just do a little max screenshot here and grab it and save it to my desktop. And so somewhere on my desktop here, desktop here, screenshot, and it's the is this a meme, right? I think, yeah, is this a meme? So I'm going to rename this is this dot png. I know it's probably a ping file. Yes, it is. God, I hope it's a ping. Yeah, screenshots on a Mac are ping files, so png. All right, and then let's see what what I'm telling you guys to do here. So duplicate the empty example folder and call it is this an image. So let's do that. So go to Atom. Where's our empty example folder? Here we go. Duplicate. Is this an image? Okay, and notice this is camel notation. As every word here is capitalized except for the first one. It's called camel notation. Okay, is this an image? So go to sketch.jpg and let's see what's our next thing we need to do. Oh, make an assets folder inside the is this an image folder. And we're going to put our assets like our images and where's my face? I need to see my face so you guys know I'm with you. Hello. So assets folder is going to have like fonts and images and sounds and stuff. So let's do that. We got to make it inside the is this an image folder. So right here, here's our is this an image folder, and inside this I got to make another folder, new folder. I'm going to call it ASSETS, assets. You've got to remember how you spelled this. Okay, it's got the word ass in it. See, that's nice. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is put the picture inside the assets folder. So I think put it in here. Okay, so let's how are we going to get that in there? Can we drag it through Atom? Maybe we can. Yeah, I'm going to try that. Is this a ping? Let's see if I can drag it in. Oh, I don't know where it went. I'll click this. Oh, it went in there. Great. So if it didn't go in there and it went somewhere else, you've got to get it so that it's inside this assets folder. Okay, and look, I can tell that it's inside because there's a little caret there I can turn down. And then I can see that is this ping is in there. And it looks like I may have told you guys to call it is this ping. I just called mine is this ping. Okay, it's inside an assets folder, inside the is this an image folder. Okay, I can even, I probably could upload this now and just see what happens. So maybe I'll do that. Upload the whole folder. And I should be able to find that path with is this an image. And everything's got to be spelled exactly right. And actually, I don't have anything in there just yet. So let's put something in there. What am I telling you guys to do? Download an image, put it in the assets folder, declare it, and stuff. All right. So you guys can see you can even copy this code here if you want. I bet you can try doing that. Or you can go along with me. I'm gonna type this out myself here. So in the sketch here, I'm gonna just put a text or something. Text hello world. Just hello, and then a 100 comma 100, just to prove to myself that this is even working. Create canvas 800 comma 800. Okay, now I should see just the text hello if I type in this whole path. So I've called it is this an image? Okay, and then there's this assets folder too, and there's that in there too. All right, let's see if we can get to this. So where did I bookmark my SGEDU? Cool, I bookmarked it there. ATK302P5, and I called this one, is this an image. Cool, that worked. Okay, so if it didn't work and you got error 404 forbidden or something like that, something did not upload. And you can look on your remote here in your remote tab and see in P5 here, you can see if it got in there or not. You know, maybe it did. Looks, sometimes this does not refresh and does not show what you've put in here, but it looks like mine is working this time. Okay. All right, that's good. So now, how do we get this is this ping into here? Well, first of all, let's make sure that it's even there. How are we even going to see this on the web? You can type in a ping file and your browser will show it. Okay, so remember there was an assets folder inside the is this an image folder? Look, here's the is this an image, and then inside there's an assets, and inside that there's is this.png. Test yourself right now to see if you can get the link, the path to this ping file. And I'll wait. Pause me. Unpause. Okay. Let's see if I can do it. So there's an assets folder. I'm spelling assets right. Is this.png. So hey, look at that. That's really cool, right? So that's the path to that, just straight to that ping. Okay, let's get back to my index file. So is this an image? So how do I get that to actually show up in my program is, let me take this out of here. There's a couple of things you need to do. You need a nickname for the image. So I'm going to call my nickname IMG. I could call it IS or something like that too, but I'm going to call it IMG. And inside the setup here, I'm going to do IMG equals load image. And then I got to have the path to that ping file. So remember what the path is? We're inside this file is here, sketch. Okay, so I want to look at something that's the same level in a folder called assets / is this.png. So I'm going to write assets / is this.png. Make sure you put a semicolon after that. So that should work. And now all I have to do is show the image. So in order to show the image, the command is called image. Just like the text, to show text, the command is text. To show image, the command is image. So for image takes 3 parameters. Could take even more, I think. But the first parameter is the nickname. That's this. This. The thing that I loaded the actual ping or JPEG into was IMG. I called it IMG. So it takes that first. Then it takes the top left-hand corner and the top and the top right, X and Y location. That's it. So this should actually work. I'm crossing my fingers now, and I should see is this. Hey, there it is. Okay, cool. So let's look at my notes here. Which are my notes? There it is. Let's see if we did this right. We duplicated the empty example folder. We made an assets folder inside the folder that we're working in. We put the sketch and index where it belonged. Okay, we downloaded the image and we put it in the assets folder. We declared it var is this, and then I named, ours was called IMG, right? The nickname for this one is called is this. Maybe I'll change it to IMG. Let's change it. IMG. And then mine was called is this.png. I'm not going to change that. All right, cool. IMG right here. There, that. Okay, that's it. That's all. So I also, sometimes you can use, instead of a setup function here, like I've used here, you can use a preload function for loading stuff. And we talked about this in class the other day. The next video is going to be showing how to use load font. So if I wanted to put 2 images here, and there's also like an image tint command too. If I wanted to put another image here and I wanted to move it over maybe like 100 by 100, and I wanted to smallen it, I think I could do that too by putting 2 more parameters in here. You can look up the image command if you want. Let's see what that did. Okay. we? So there should be another one on top. Yeah, there it is right there. Okay, that's a 50 by 50 version of this. And then there's a tint command, and you can look up the image commands. I've got a link to them in the reference section. Cool, cool. So if I want another image, I'd have to have a second one, like img1, and then I'd have to have img1 equals load image, and then I'd have a second assets. I'd keep it in the assets folder, and I'd have second image.png. And you guys have done this already with your 3 images folder. Maybe you just didn't know what it meant. So this is loading. You have to load stuff either in a setup or a preload. And in the draw is where you're going to draw the image. And to draw the image, use the word image. That's the drawing command. And then these are the nicknames, or the pointers to the actual files there. All right? Good. I just realized something. We should show you what it looks like when it doesn't work, right? So this is not going to work here at all, because why is it not going to work? Second image.png. Inside my assets folder, I don't have a second image.png. So I'm going to be trying to load it here, and then let's even try to actually make it happen. So img1, and we'll put it at 100, 100. It's not going to work because it's not going to find this. Okay, let's see what kind of an error message we're going to get. Click. Okay, I don't see any error message here at all. Also, this will not work if you are looking at this locally. I forgot to say that too. If I just do this, look at this, like open in browser, if I do that, it's not going to work. I'm going to see nothing. Okay, you have to actually, and I know that I'm looking at it in browser because I see file : / here. It means I'm looking at it on my computer. Nobody else can see this. Only people who are looking right straight at my computer. Over here, this says http : / up here. It's actually, I'm looking at this through the internet. Okay. Now I'm not getting an error though, but I'm not getting that second image because it's not loaded. So let's see. If I right click on the back here and hit inspect, and I look at, hello? Ooh, this is taking a while. I look at the console. See, console, oh, failed to load resource, second image.png with a status of 404 not found. Okay, that could mean a lot of things, but what it definitely means is that your code is not finding this. Okay, it could mean that you are spelling it wrong, which is what everybody does. Everybody just spells their you'll have a capitalization where you didn't mean to capitalize a letter or something, or you'll have 2 periods, or you'll have a space. Don't put a space in. Okay, but so that's what's going on. So check everything, because for some reason everybody thinks, oh, it's my code is wrong, and it's going to be something stupid like a spelling error, or this is going to be wrong. Okay, all right, so good luck. I know you can do it. I believe in you.